Hello everyone, it's Hanny again with my Journal Embellishment Challenge number 11, and the prompt is chic. And I'm going to make or decorate, I'm not going to make, but decorate an envelope. I have a few envelopes here. And a few chicks. This one, and this is a napkin with chicks on it. And well, this is one, I don't know which bird. And this is a pigeon, I think, with her chicks. So I like this one. Like this one too. I like all three of them. But this is so big. So I don't know what to use. So I will cut it out first so I can try things. It's very big. I don't like pigeons though. Yeah, I like the birds, but I don't like their behavior and the sound. Ruku, ruku, when you have one under your bedroom window. Well, it's driving me nuts. But yeah, there are people who like them, and I think it's a nice sport when you're doing, how do we call that? Well, let them fly, so they somewhere in the world, so they will come back to you. So I like, I could use that. I could use that. I'm going to make an envelope and just fold it around the page in the journal, and then I could decorate the other side too, but I'm just going to decorate this side. I have some, well, it is not burlap, but similar, like that. I have some corrugated cardboard. Like that too. Tea-dyed paper. I have a few pieces of this ledger paper, and I have lots more, of course, all kinds of snippets. This one, like this one too, could use that, or some music paper maybe. This piece, yeah, could do that, something like that. Well, I think this is a quickie. I like it. I think I'm going to do that. Why not? I think I'm going to do that with a glue stick. I could do it all the way. Why not? like so. Maybe I should do that the other way. First, this one. Ah, sticky. Of course, honey is sticky. Like that, and then like so. And then this. Ah. I hope it sticks. And now I should put some glue here. Some glue here. Now I'm going to cut it first. I should not cut should I leave some frays on this side or not? I don't know. Maybe that's nice, like this. And now a little piece of corrugated cardstock. Where is it? Oh, there, I think. So. No. Oh yeah. Ah, it doesn't matter. Could do it this way though. Just make it a little flat. So it isn't that bulky. So that's the background. It sticks okay. And now I should glue this on. And I will use, I won't use that one. I'll use this one. Yeah. I'm going to color the edges first. Well, the prompt is check, but these are two, so. But I think that's okay. Where is my blender? Look. My blender is gone. Where is it? Footsie. I don't know. It's gone. Somewhere. Oh no, I should do, oh yeah, I could do this too. I do that this way then. But I would like to do the pigeon with her chicks. Well, like I always say, you have to do it with the things you have. And I don't have my blender right now, so I have to do it this way. And when I'm done, I will find him, but yeah, that's life. Now I'm going to glue it on. Like this. Okay. I think I have to put something on it. Maybe it will hold when I push enough. No, yeah, here it is. Ugh. It's black, so it has a color you don't see easy. Well, maybe a little smaller phrase. Something like that. Like that. Now should I do a word on it here? Could do that. A little word. I have words. I have numbers. Could do a number 2 though. It's a pigeon, so how many miles did you fly? 15,452. Or a bit bigger. Oh, that's a long way. No, these are too big. Don't like that. These are a bit too big. Yeah, these are too big, so I want to have a smaller one, like this one. Just glue it on. Why not? So that sticks. Well, should I do something more? I don't think so. I think it's okay now. This way. Yeah. I won't do anything more. It's okay this way. It's just an envelope, and when you have a page, journaling page, journal page, what is it? Journal page. I get one of those, and I just clip it on like this with a paper clip. Something like that. So this is my contribution for chic. I hope you will join me in my with my image challenge. Yes, on my challenge, with my challenge, whatever. Would like that. And if you do, you can post your result on Instagram, wherever. And when you use the hashtag JJEC, and then this is number 11, well, I will find you, I hope. I have a Facebook group. Information is in the description below on YouTube. So, this is it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.